Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Everyone, please raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking class prep English subject. And today you are watching Show and Tell English lecture. Now, student, for today's lesson, you need student book, an activity book with a pencil, sharpener, and eraser. Now, please open student book, page number 72. Objective of the lesson is read and understand story to learn about the value of being smart. Okay, student, please open page number 72. On the top of the page, write today's date 17th December 178 17th December, capital DECEMBER, December, comma 2020. In the middle, write capital H dot capital T and then write Thursday, capital THURSDAY, Thursday. Now look at this page. There is a story about a little mouse deer. And what else you see? There is an elephant, some monkeys, and a crocodile. What kind of animal mouse deer is? Mouse deer is a small animal. Its face is like mouse and the body is like deer. And how tall he is? He is very short. And who is the tallest animal in the story? Yes, you are right. An elephant. Elephant is the tallest animal. So let's start reading. Look at picture number 1. This is mouse. 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 Deer. D-E-R. Deer. This is mouse deer. Full stop. He lives. 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 Next. Next. Next to the river. 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 Okay. Let's read the dialogues, which is between the mouse deer and the elephant. Hello, elephant. Hello. Hello. Elephant. Elephant. Full stop. Hello, elephant. Hello. Are you dancing? Hello. Full stop. Hello. Are you dancing? Dancing. Dancing? Question mark. Yes, I love dancing. Who said this? Mouse deer said this. Yes, I love dancing. Now picture number 2. Mouse. 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 Deer. D-E-R. Deer. Mouse deer is smart. S-M-R-T. Smart. Mouse deer is smart. Let's race. Who said this? Elephant said this. Let's race. L-E-T-S. Let's race. R-A-C-E. Race. Full stop. No. N-O. No. Full stop. You have long legs. Y-O-U. U-H-A-V-E. Have. You have long legs. L-A-G-S. Legs. You have long legs. And you are fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Full stop. I can't win. Who said this? Mouse deer said this. Mouse deer said to deer that you are long legs, you are fast, I cannot win. Picture number 3. Crocodile wants to eat mouse deer. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile wants. W-A-N-T-S. Wants to eat. 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 Mouse, mouse. Deer, deer. Full stop. Crocodile wants to eat mouse, deer. Now, what crocodile said to mouse, deer? Come swimming. C-O-M-E, come. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. Come swimming, comma. Mouse, mouse. Deer, deer. No, thank you. Who said this? Mouse deer said this. No, thank you. Full stop. I am too small. I am T-O-O, too all, small, for lunch. Look at picture number 4. Today, today. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Deer, deer. Today, mouse deer is playing. 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 WITH with FRIENDS, friends. Today, mouse deer is playing with friends. Full stop. Look at the trees. They have yummy red fruit. Look at the look at the trees. TREES, trees. Full stop. They have YUMMY, yummy. Red fruit. FRUIT, fruit. FRUIT, fruit. Full stop. Look at the trees. They have yummy red fruit. Full stop. Elephant asks, where? WHERE, where? Question mark. Mouse deer said, over there. OVER, over. THERE, over there. Now, red yummy fruit is across the river. Now look at picture number 5. Every day, mouse deer sees. SEES, sees the fruit. FRUIT, fruit. I want the fruit. Who said? Mouse deer said. I want the fruit. FRUIT, fruit, comma, but I can't swim. SWIM, swim with crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. Look at picture number 6. Every day, mouse deer thinks about the fruit. EVERY, every. DAY, day. Every day, mouse. Mouse. Deer. Deer. Thinks. THINKS, thinks about. ABOUT, about the fruit. FRUIT, fruit. How can I cross the river? Now he asked himself that how? HOW, how? Can I cross? Cross the river. RIVER, river. Question mark. Now children, please open page number 59 from activity book. Question is written on the book, that is find, 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 and circle the differences. DIFFERENCES, differences. Full stop. Say. Say. There are 2 pictures are given, and what you have to do, you have to look at picture number 1 and then you have to circle the 5 differences from picture number 2. And some words are given under the picture, that is COFFE, coffee, shop, shop, comma, SWIMMING, swimming, pool, pool, comma library, 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 comma park, 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 comma ice cream, ICE, ice, CREAM, ice cream. Shop, shop, comma RIDE, ride, a bike, BIKE, bike. Next word is roller skate, ROLLER, roller skate, 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 comma jump, 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 rope, 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 comma line, LION, line, comma giraffe, 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 monkey, 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 comma ELEPHANT, elephant, comma parrot, PARROT, parrot. Now lesson is over. Everyone take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.